some wishes out of airplanes. Then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. In fact, when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape. In fact, before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is who they made up, what's up, Bobby's right. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really I wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Someone is in 2 songs on Virgin.
If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up. But you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me. And you never say hey or remember my name, and it's probably